150 bucks conservatively. So this one item definitely pays for everything and puts us into profit. That's what we like to see. What's going on, guys? Dan Cal here from Liquidation Pros, and in this video series I'm going to be unboxing some Amazon liquidation inventory that I got from 5 Amazon liquidation pallets. So what I have here is about a pallet and a half of inventory that I've brought down. I'm going to go through box by box and take a look at what we have. The way it worked out as far as the numbers go is I paid just below $5,000 for all 5 pallets, so right around $1,000 a piece. It was actually $980, and that included freight shipping to the warehouse. From there, we received the inventory, and I'm bringing it here to my my home basement to process it and pull out what's good to be resold, what needs to go to the flea market, and basically how I go through the whole process of selling everything and making profit on it. So the way it worked out, $980 per pallet. On average, it's around $10,000 retail value. Somewhere as high as 14, somewhere as low as like 9,200. So on average, 10 to 12,000 in retail value per pallet. And the way that works out is, if you break it down per box, it's about $80 I pay per box. So pretty good potential. It could be $500 to $1,000 in each box, but once again, this is as is. Amazon returns. We don't know if the item's new, broken. Sometimes people will swap out an item and send something different back as far as the return goes. The ultimate goal is to unbox everything and, like I said, get it sold and actually make profit. The reason I do these videos, for one, it's fun, and I know a lot of people enjoy seeing what you can get in these Amazon mystery boxes. So I do actually have a manifest, which is an entire list of everything I bought within the 5 pallets. But since everything came in one truckload, it's not really organized well enough to figure out what's going to be in each box. So I have an idea of what's in each pallet, but I have the whole entire list telling me what's included. So the good thing is it makes it a little bit easier to find the items. So as we go, if I see an item that I think it might be pretty valuable, I will go ahead on eBay and see what the item is selling for, eBay or Amazon, and just kind of get a price quote. And I also will give an idea of what I paid for the item. So I paid on average right around 10%. So a $100 item I paid $10 for. So that's the way it works out. I'm going to be opening a bunch of these, so if you like this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I post the next one. In this video, we may get through 2, we may only get through 1. It just depends on how many items there are. I'm going to try to keep these between 10 to 15 minutes. I'll play a little bit of music, and we'll just have fun going through and looking and seeing what kind of money we can make. So like I said, thanks for watching, and let's get started. Alright, so here we go, the first box. I'm also doing a screen grab record and I have a laptop set up over here, so I want to look anything up. We can take a look. Alright, so right off the bat, need a little bit more room to do this. Here we go, get a good look of what's in there. Minnesota Wild, this is cool. This is like a bar mat from Minnesota Wild. I have some family out in Minnesota, and they would probably love having that. So that's pretty neat. Not too sure of the value. I'm guessing maybe like 10 bucks. I would have to look that up. I'm not going to look up every item unless it's really interested. These, I know I have a lot of these coming. This is the Dirty Dog doormat. You can look them up. They go for like 50 to 75 bucks depending on the size. This company on Amazon specializes in selling mats for dogs. So I know we're going to see a lot of these because I remember looking at the list. This is a Brinks lock. Commercial solid Brinks home security lock. So the question is whether the keys are in there, and then if it's a combination lock, if you can figure out the code. So it does have keys. It's not a combination. The keys are actually on the latch. So go figure. You just got to pull them off, and it should be good to go. These locks can go for upwards of 20 bucks for the heavy duty ones. So that's a good item there. Let's see what we have here. This is a 26-inch quad strap it's for a racing seat harness. So this is like a seatbelt strap you would use if it's the brand PRP, if you're racing vehicles. Don't know the value on that. Let's see if I can look that up. Oh, here we go. This is something up my alley. It's a couple of fishing lures. These look like to be stick baits. And who makes this? I'm not sure of this brand. Lucky Craft Lures. Oh, the hooks are definitely sharp. They're stuck in the bag. So two of those little guys, brand new. Don't see any damage or anything, so that's good. Something like that, I might be able to sell the pair of them on eBay, or definitely down the flea market. Let's see what we have here. This is a pair of sunglasses. These are Freedom. I'm not sure. Looks like it says Kickstart padded eyewear. So yeah, these are super padded. I'm guessing for like people working, wearing hard hats and stuff, you want that extra padding because the hat's always pushing against your face. They're brand new with tags. I don't see any issue with those at all. So, oh cool, they're like the polarized. I doubt these are, this is probably like a $10 item. I doubt there's too much value there. But needless to say, they are new, so that's good. No damage. So far, everything's looking pretty good condition. What is this? This is a Clayton Kershaw jersey. So this is a sports jersey. As you can see, a lot of these are coming in these Amazon returns bags. If you've ever dealt with Amazon returns before, this is actually Amazon bagged, this item. It's like the standard bag they always use. The other thing you'll see is you have these like LPN labels, and then the company I bought it from covers it up with a label. So that's another way to know if you got an Amazon return, you always have that LPN label. Alright, so this is like a kids. Oh, this is a dog, officially licensed pet wear. So this is literally a dog's Kershaw, Clayton Kershaw jersey. So like something like this we could look up, get an idea of what the retail value is in that. Go find it on my list. I know the last 4 digits of the UPC are 3660. This might be boring, so I probably won't do this a lot. It's a $22 jersey. I paid $2.50 for it. It still have 2 big boxes here and something big down there. So hopefully we really need in each box like at least one thing over $100. In my previous video, I went through 3 boxes and I kind of just showed an overview of some of the items I found. And there was a $1,000 item, and there were several items that were like $200, $150, $200. This is just a Knights University of Central Florida. Some sort. Oh, it's a pennant flag. So just a regular little pennant flag. Nothing too crazy there. This is a fire extinguisher holder, so that's pretty unique. I'm sure there's a market for that. It looks to be in there. I'll have to read and see if it's supposed to include any kind of mountain screws or anything, because they're not in there. It's just a bracket. But that's that. This one I think is going to be either make or break this box. So this says powered watchdog 30 amp. Just based on the packaging, it looks like it could be a valuable item. Don't know a whole lot about this brand or this company, but we'll see what we got. So far, so good. The product itself looks like it's there. I mean, it's in mint condition if it's ever even been used. I don't think it has, so let's look this up and see what kind of value we have here. So I paid $32 for this item. And they said the original MSRP is $328, but I don't believe that. Oh wow. So the current listing right now on eBay, same exact thing, $276, $262. Someone has one for $150, but hopefully they sell theirs. Now let's see if any have actually sold. Okay, here we go. So somebody sold one for $170 and someone sold one for $187. It looks like mine's good. You know, I'll have to potentially try to power it on just to make sure, but $150 conservatively. So this one item definitely pays for everything and puts us into profit. So that's what we like to see. All right, what do we have here? Some sort of camouflage. This is Red Rock Outdoor Gear, 5-piece something. We're gonna have to look this one up because I have no idea what it is. 0002. There we go. Let's check on eBay first. If I don't see it on eBay, I'll normally go right to Amazon because these came from Amazon, so it should have a listing on there. There we go. Put the number in. Oh, it's one of those camouflage suits you wear, like makes you look like a bush. Someone sold one for $31 plus shipping. And there's the whole setup. This would actually be pretty good. 2 people have them listed for $75 on eBay. This would probably make a pretty cool Halloween costume too, so be a good time to sell that. Alright, let's see what this item is here. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's a like a gun case or a pad, a protective pad to keep you from wearing through your clothing. Let's see if we can figure out 0185 just to get an idea what that's worth. Edition. So they're saying the retail on this is it's an 18 pillow bag, whatever that is. They're saying the retail is $18, so not bad. Just see if any of them actually are on eBay, because that's where I like to sell. This open box stuff I don't like to sell on Amazon. You can get yourself in trouble on selling on Amazon. Wow, so they told me it was an $18 item. It's actually selling consistently. 6 have sold for around $30. So that's really good because I only paid $1.80 for that. Pretty crazy. It's like a shooting rest pillow bag. Don't ask me. It looks like maybe it's supposed to be filled up with something. So I'll have to do some research on that, but that's a good item to sell. I have 2 more really big items. What is this thing? Oh, there's actually more than 2 items. There's a couple loose items down here. Let's do these real quick. There's another lock, you know, $10, $15 probably, and then this is some sort of dye. Fire dye. Lock. Now we're down to the last 2. This is some sort of probably blaster, I'm thinking. Portable. See, the problem is with a lot of this stuff is it gets covered up with stickers, so you have to look it up. Portable abrasive 50-pound blaster by Buffalo Tools, and that is a $97 retail. Whether that's accurate or not, we'll find out. Now remember, it's only a matter of what somebody's gonna be willing to pay for it. So even on eBay, you gotta have a buyer. This is definitely gonna be missing some stuff. It looks like the end here is possibly missing a part, but I'll have to do more research. It's claiming, not claiming, but they're actively listed on eBay for about $72. So that's probably realistically like a $30 or $40 item, which isn't bad because it all adds up. Right now, like I said, we're in a profit. Hopefully this is a good one. This is a large cargo backpack made by Briggs & Riley. It actually might be made by someone else. And I'm wondering if they just used that bag. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Because I've seen this brand, the NC Star, 3645. Sorry, I'm gonna turn that. All right, let's open it up. It's not coming up on my list, which means sometimes some items won't even get logged properly. What do we have here though first? Oh, all right. It's definitely not the manufacturer's box, just because the sizing is way off. They wouldn't put an item in there that's half the size of the box. So this box is trash. Oh, here's the drink mat for the Minnesota thing. This is like a hunting bag. No, definitely not. They're showing this. So this is the old bait and switch thing. Someone sent back this item, or somehow this item got mixed into the wrong bag and the wrong box. So this one will take a lot of research to figure out exactly what the model is. I do know it's this VISM brand, Vism, so I'll start by searching that, and then we'll see what we come up with. But that is it. The box is empty, and I would say comfortably realistically, assuming that Watchdog 30 amp breaker thing actually works and is good to go, I'm gonna say probably $250 worth of inventory that I paid 80 bucks for. So not a bad deal. Some of it's going to be flea market, some of it's going to be eBay, and some of it will be Facebook Marketplace. All right, guys. Well, I think I did pretty good with that one. So if you would, and you're more interested in checking out what's in these other boxes, make sure you hit the subscribe and that bell notification so you can be notified when I put the next video out. But I really do appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.